Okay, it's Friday, February 3rd. I just wanted to highlight some of the trades I made on the SPY today. Really two of them. I discussed early on and shot videos how I bought calls here early on, scaled out, and then, my morning trade for me, I'm always looking in the morning to kind of take my gains. I exited up here at the highs of the day. The pre-market highs is the blue line, and I kind of shot a video showing how that was a moment to either take profits, scale out, and then at that point look for maybe a pause and see if you get a continuation. We had at that point the potential to have an outside day to the upside, but you also know it's kind of Friday. We've had big days in a row up. The market did sell off strong yesterday, gap down. So the odds are you weren't going to get a lot of momentum to the upside. Anyway, as it came down, I also bought puts on Microsoft at that time, and I shot a video on that. But then as the SPY really started coming down strong, I bought some SPY puts and, just anticipating you might get this kind of move to end the day. And we have about a half hour to go. We might rally up here and close somewhere here. I'm not saying the whole day is going to collapse, but given the fact that we came up to that key level, paused, started up, and couldn't really get that secondary move up and started down very big. If you look at the 1 minute chart, there was a lot of strong momentum kicking in over here. That's where I was watching it. I bought some puts just anticipating that this low would be taken out and maybe we'd get this kind of move. So just showing you, at the time when I was also in Microsoft puts, I bought some SPY puts here at 415, at 317. And, I was buying some Microsoft puts. So I scaled out at 430 and then I exited the final position at 492. So it was a real good trade, buying some SPY puts here, and just kind of, it's more or less the structure I wanted to point out that, you had your first push up. It was from the two down, the failed possible two down day from yesterday coming up into yesterday's range, but it really wasn't the classic momentum where you were initially breaking above the pre-market highs and starting up. Instead, it just kind of reached that area. Then it failed on its second move, and given the price action, it was worth a try. So just thought I'd point that out. I'll do a recap video on the SPY in general about this movement on the day, but it's the type of thing where, you could also look for kind of that counter trend kind of trade once you saw that you were not getting the second push up on the day, and it was kind of failing pretty strong. So anyway, that's kind of the SPY. I'll do a recap video at the end of the day, kind of an end of the day and end of the week video.